Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about updating NPM packages, fixing any version conflicts, and also we'll learn about pair dependencies. Okay, let's get started. So in this particular functions package, there is a package.json and we want to update some of the versions because it is quite old. So I want to update this particular version, Firebase functions test, and I just want to check what is the latest version available, and you can see the version is 3.1.0, and let's do that. I'm doing this and I'm in, I just need to go to functions directory and do npm I. Okay, now you can see it clearly says it needs Firebase function 3.25.0, and it talks something about it requires that particular package from root project, and you can see there's a word pair, and then it also tells about Firebase functions and function test. Okay, so yeah, to know more about this, let's go to this particular package and then see what this error is all about. So this is open source project, so we can go to the GitHub repository for function test, and then we'll go inside the package.json, and you can see that that particular Firebase test function, there's a section known as pair dependencies, and then it clearly tells it needs Firebase function package of, and it is also specific about a particular version 4.3.0. Okay, so what does that mean? In our root package, in our main functions package.json, we do have Firebase functions, but then that version is not the version this particular latest version needs. It needs a higher version 4.3.0, and what this pair dependency is in package.json. So when a sub package, for example, there's a main package like React, and then there are other packages like React router, React state management libraries, something like that, and then those React router package may need definitely they need a React version, and then that's where they can specify that as a dependency. But if they do those packages as a dependency, and then you in a project, if you install React router and then you also install React state management libraries, and in that case if they specify React as a dependency in their package.json, then there's a chance that there will conflict may arise of dependent version of React. Okay, so that's when the sub packages, what they say, they use this pair dependency concept, and then they say that, hey, we are not installing a particular version, but the requirement is we want a particular version of a package should be available in the root project, and that's what is pair dependency. And this particular Firebase function test, it says that it needs Firebase functions version 4.3 or more. Okay, but in our project we don't have that particular version, so for that reason I just want to install latest Firebase function. So for that, let's go to Firebase functions package and see what is available latest. Clearly you can see 4.3.1, and now is the time to install 4.3.1. Okay, we'll continue the installation. Okay, again, so again another one more peer dependency issue. So Firebase function and Firebase function 3.1.0, and okay, okay, sorry, we did not save it. Okay, because of that it thrown a similar error. Okay, now a new error came up, and then it says Firebase admin. Now it says Firebase admin 10.0.0 or 11.0.0, and that is required from Firebase functions. Again, we'll go into Firebase function to see what it is, but then let's see what is Firebase, the version of Firebase admin. Clearly our version is 9.8.0, and then it seems like Firebase functions 4.3.1 needs 10 or higher. Okay, so for that reason, again we'll go to Firebase functions package.json just to see, just to confirm, and here let's see dependencies, dev dependencies, and again you can see there's a pure dependency. So like initially we spoke about, right? So because it's a Firebase functions and it's a kind of a sub package, and then main it needs Firebase admin is the main package, and because of that they don't specify that in their dependencies, rather they specify that as a pure dependency. And then when they do that, the expectation is in the root project you need to have that particular package, but in our case we don't have a version 10 or higher, rather we have a 9.8.0. So for this reason let's check what is the latest available version. Sorry, Firebase function, sorry, just need Firebase functions, and then no, we need sorry, we need Firebase admin. And instead of 9.8.0, let's use the latest version. Now let's do NPM I. Hopefully it should resolve all the issues. Let's see. It seems all the issues are getting resolved. Okay, so meanwhile it installs. Again, one key point part of learning is we learn by doing. So please try to do this kind of updates in your local and see the error, and in that way you will know that why that error and what that error means, what is peer dependency. Again, it took me some time to learn myself, and then it may take you 2-3 installations to know it much better. Okay, so okay, again it says bad engine. I mean it we can safely update to node 16, but in our case we are saying our engine is 14. So I do this and do an npm I. Now all the errors are gone. Okay, this is all about npm package resolution, and then updates, and then also little bit about pure dependencies. That's it. We'll see some or learn some new topic in upcoming videos. Thank you.